Hello, TMUA aspirants. I'm Rishabh Kumar. There is a 1 week for your TMUA exam, which is scheduled on 6th or 7th of January 26th. So we have about 7 days from now. I'm making this video on 31st. So you have to maximize your score. Okay. So this video is made for that. I'm the founder for the Mathematics Academy. Okay, myself Rishabh Kumar. Yeah. So why the first thing? Okay, keep yourself calm. Okay, and TMU whatever clarity, speed, accuracy. There are two papers. TMUA paper has two papers, 1 and 2. But both are of 75 minutes. So you have on one sitting you have to sit for 2.5 hours. Okay. So and there is no character allowed, no shortcut. All the problems are MCQ based. So there are few things you need to mention. As you have already prepared, okay, be confident about whatever you think you learn. Okay? Don't mix up various things. Okay. I'm making this video in a bit of noisy environment. Sorry for that. I don't have time to recover that. So it's about the strategy, not the syllabus. Okay. So both have 20 MCQs, 75. So you have roughly around 4 minutes or 3 minutes 75. 3.5 minutes per question. So it's enough time. Okay. So what you can focus on algebra, logic, or style positioning, or whatever the concepts you already aware. You should focus on that. Okay. Don't try to learn or acquire new things. Okay. If you are very comfortable with the other part, try to solve a bit of more practice, but keep calm. Okay. Don't try to finish each and everything at the last moment. It will mess up your confidence and other things. Okay. So you can do like for algebra functions, try to revise things. Okay, don't just go for theory revision and again revision. If you want to do that, you use the concept of active revision. What is active revision? I already explained in my one of. Okay, what are the TMU traps and other things? How you can you can do like some problems. You can solve problems. Okay, you can attempt some mock papers. Okay, mock papers. Try to go with those which have solutions. Sequences, proof, and logic. You can focus on these if you are confident. Okay, proof by contradiction, counter example, logical solutions. Okay, proof styling questions, MCQ strategy. Okay, you can like there are 4 options. Okay, if you can eliminate, if you are able to solve a problem and you have time. Okay, if this strategy must be opted. First, whatever the problems you know out of the 20 questions, in case you are able to solve confidently the 12 questions, first solve these 12 questions. Out of 8 questions, you are able to try to struggle with the 4 questions, try to go that. And in these problems, you can focus on the elimination method as well as like there are 4 options or 5 options, A, B, C, D. So whichever the option is not possible or infeasible, just cancel out. Suppose 3 options you cancelled, so you have 2 options to be worried on that. Okay, so you can use that and you can try to full length time practice. So this is careless examples, concepts, error correction and refinement. Okay, try to strengthen your weak areas, improve speed and decision making. These things you can do only by mock. Okay, so yeah, light revision, formula method. Okay, so these are the common TMUA text questions. Like if we say, okay, I'm saying one basic column A. Suppose this is a sequence. Okay, this is a sequence. Now someone asked, is this sequence an AP, GP both, none of these. Okay, both means AP and GP, and here A belongs to R, where A is R. So this sequence is 1. So most of student, what you think? What is your answer? As you know, what is AP? Difference of the two terms must be. So clearly, if you take difference in between any term, it will 0. So it's APR. If you just divide each term, okay. So common ratio seems to be A by A. Everywhere it will be A by A, A by A. So this is seems 1, but this perception is wrong. Okay, any number divided by any number is 1, but there is some condition. Only condition that A should not be 0, and here it is written A belongs to R, so it's GP not. Yes, this is also not correct. So this is the correct option. When this answer will be both, answer will be both in case if it written A is not equal to 0 and A belongs to R. So the answer will be both in that case, because in that case you can say A by A is 1. As you know, 0 by 0 is not defined. It's a limiting case. Okay, where we. So these are some traps. Okay, you have to check aware that. Okay, don't overcomplicate the simple questions. Okay, one basic fundamental of in any competitive exam, like I just calm, and if I have something like if I'm solving focusing on an exam continuously for 30 minutes or 50 minutes, then after I take just a small rest, just like of 1 minute or 30 seconds, so that my brain reactivates and come the main efficient way. Okay, same efficient, and try to solve the problems and learn everything in the exam time. Okay, whatever their exam time, try to solve mock papers in that time, so that you'll be very familiar, your mind and everything will be very familiar with that. Okay, final advice for you: TMU test thinking, not memorization. Okay, precision beats speed. Okay, like if you make the questions, you must answer all questions correctly. Okay, like if you are able to make 17-18 correct answers, okay, if whether you are not able to attempt 20 questions, it's not a problem. It's a very good thing if you make all these correct answers. What happened in this scenario? Like if you, even a student out of 20, he opted for only 16 questions and attempted, and all are correct. You know what is scenario? Like for 16 questions, he has 35 minutes. In case he rule out the 3 questions in the very early time, he don't devote the time, like he know I cannot solve this topic, because he is not familiar with that chapter or concepts. So actually he has more time to deal with that. So that is the scenario. Yeah. So want a structured preparation for TMU. So just this is the book written by me, TMU Guidebook. Guidebook. For this, you can view it Kindle, Paperback, Hardcover. You can go through it. Okay, it's link will be in the Amazon and in the description, available on the Amazon and everything. Okay, you can search for this, or you can even visit my website, Mathematical Academy, or mathbyrishabh.com, where you can find the link. Okay, it's in one day get delivered at your even the paper. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Prepare well. Best of luck for your exam.